Children, let's begin our class. Welcome to Standard 4th, Subject Science, Lesson number 5, Soil. Let's revise our previous topic. In the previous topic, we had learned about different types of soil, its particles, and layers of soil. Sand, silt, and clay are the different soil particles. There are 3 types of soil depending upon the amount of different soil particles present in it: sandy soil, clayey soil, and loamy soil. Topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock are 3 layers of soil. Let's proceed to our next topic. In this topic, we are going to learn what is soil erosion and what is soil conservation. So let's see this video regarding soil erosion.
Have you ever heard about soil erosion? The upper layer of soil is made up of fine soil particles. It is rich in minerals and has humus. Humus makes the soil fertile. Sometimes heavy rains, running water, and wind remove the top layer of the soil. This is known as soil erosion. Let us perform some activities to understand how does soil erosion take place in nature. Activity 1. Soil erosion by water. Make a model of hills and a river valley by making heaps of soil at one place. Now pour water over it. You will see that as water runs down, it takes away top layers of soil along with it and deposits it in the riverbed. This is known as silting. In this way, the fertile soil is lost and the level of riverbed rises, making them more prone to floods. Activity 2. Soil erosion by air. Place some sand at one place on the table. Now blow air over the sand. Observe what happens. The sand is blown off and gets deposited at some other place. This blowing away of top layers of soil is called soil erosion.
Soil erosion is also caused by human action. One such action is cutting down of trees. This is called deforestation. The roots of the plants hold the soil. The protection to the soil by roots of the plants is removed, so soil gets easily eroded by the wind or the water.
From this video, you must have understood what is soil erosion and causes of it. Removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Following are the causes of soil erosion: heavy rainfall, strong winds, and cutting down of trees. Now, let's see the next video of soil conservation.
How can we prevent soil erosion? Let us perform one more activity. Take 2 wooden boxes. Fill both of them with equal amount of soil. In one box, fix some plants like grass with roots. Tilt both the boxes. Now pour equal amount of water in both the boxes. Note what happens. You will see that only water comes out from the box in which plants are fixed. From the box in which plants are not fixed, some soil along with water is drained out. This shows that plants help prevent the soil from flowing out. The plants act as soil binders. Thus, they are very important in preventing soil erosion.
Hope you must have understood how to protect soil from erosion. Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. Plants get most of their nutrients from the topsoil. There are certain steps that we can take to conserve soil. More number of trees should be planted to replace the ones that are cut down. Trees and bushes should be planted in open lands. This practice does not allow the wind to blow full force and take away the topsoil. Flowing water can easily wash away a lot of topsoil. Dams should be built across rivers to prevent floods. We must prevent soil erosion. It takes about 500 years for nature to make 1 inch of topsoil. Let's recap. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Strong winds, heavy rainfall, and cutting down of trees increase soil erosion. Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. Steps that we can take to conserve soil: more number of trees should be planted. Trees and bushes should be planted in open lands. Dams should be built across rivers to prevent floods. Here we have finished our lesson number 5, Soil. Read this lesson carefully from the textbook. Now, let's check your homework of previous topic. Your today's homework: find out the answers of following questions and write down in your notebook. Thank you.